Philippines!
Monkey. Morning, love. Hi, Roxy. Okay, let's go out. Si Misty mahilig talagang gising. Ginoo ko itong si Misty. So ngayon, sabi pa ni Tami is dangerous heat. So good morning. Good morning sa lahat. So dangerous daw ngayon. Little shirts.
Morning, guys.
Your legacy. So you're either going to wait till nearly die, or you can just live now. The choice is yours. And have you ever watched a good movie where there was just that surprise twist at the ending that you didn't see coming?
You need haircut, love.
Maybe that's going to be.
Good morning, guys. So si Misty ginising. Ako buti na lang kasi kailangan kong magtubig. Sa garden natin, kailangan natin may bunga na yung mga ano natin, guys. Yung mga kaman. May bunga na siya. Yung ang dami ng bunga. Yung kamatis nag-start na. Look, meron na, guys. Look, meron na siya. Oops, dito. Bunga. May bunga na sila. And itong talong. Talong. May mga bunga na. Ito, dwarf man ito eh. Ang daming kumakain na naman. Ang daming kumakain. So ngayon, sobrang init daw yun ngayon. Kahapon sobrang init. Pero mas mainit daw ngayon. Okay. Roxy, Misty. Ang daming lettuce. Ito, ang string beans natin hindi masyadong masaya. Hindi masyadong masaya. Kailangan kang kumapit. Okay? Kapit lang dyan. Kapit, ganun. Ito din. Look, bunga, guys. May bunga na sila. Yep. Hi guys, hindi pa ako tapos. Inano ko lang yun, pinabayaan ko lang tubig para talagang masaya yung ano. Pinabayaan ko lang. Ang aga pa, hindi pa nga 7 o'clock. Wala pa. Dada doesn't feed you yet? Oh. Dada doesn't feed you yet? What's wrong? Roxy, look. Roxy, look at mama. Hi. It's windy. It's windy, man. It's windy. It's windy. Oh, it's windy. I love you. You wanna go inside? Dada doesn't let you in. He doesn't let you in. Oh. You wanna go in? You wanna go inside? Ang saya ng ano, oh. Ibigay ko to kay Lloyd isa. Kasi gusto niya. Ito kay sister-in-law. Ibigay ko to sa kanya. Hindi ko kailan kung kailan ko to ibigay. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung, you know, yung masaya na siya ba. Masaya naman siya, look. Masaya naman. So, gawa tayo ng pagkain ni Tami kasi yung request niya is, ano, egg, lagyan ng itlog, lagyan ng ano, lahat-lahat, pati cheese. Han, what kind of cheese do you like? Is that spicy or just the regular American cheese?
Oh, spicy better.
Which one is spicy? No, the other one is jalapeno, the spiciest one.
No, the habanero is spicy.
Oh, the habanero, but I don't know if we have any. I don't see any cheese here, honestly.
Seriously?
Spicy. Like, what kind of egg is this?
Well, let's see, this one's spicy, that's a jalapeno.
That's what I said, the stinky cheese.
That's not stinky, that's jalapeno.
I just took her out. I said, that's stinky.
And that's not stinky cheese, is it?
Well, that's the stinky one.
No, it's not. Just because there's a piece of pepperoni in there doesn't make it stinky cheese.
Become like, you don't taste the egg anymore.
Of course you do.
Of course you did. Of course you did.
They don't have none. I don't have none. It's not in here.
Sa pati sa pagluluto ng itlog, guys, mag-aaway pa.
Loco. I'm a loco. Somebody's a loco.
You are a loco, right?
Yeah, you certainly are.
You are.
Paga loco.
Pati pagluluto ng itlog, mag-aaway
Paga
pa.
loco.
Away pa? Makipag-away ka pa?
Loco in the coco.
Yeah, that's it. That's you. Loco in the coco. Pandi coco. Pandi coco is a bread.
Would you lime in the coconut?
And now you're gonna start singing now. I know you're gonna start singing.
Would you lime in the coconut? You spin it all around.
Honey, I.
Put the loco in the coconut.
Yeah, you are a coconut, right? Okay,
And I
okay.
gotta feed the hummingbirds. Then I gotta feed the regular birds.
I just feed the girl. My God, they eat like the ducky, the two duck. So, ito yung request. Ganyan kami guys, mga ano, mag-ano pa talaga. Kasi, iwan ko kung bakit itong egg, lagyan niya ng cheese. Hindi ko talaga mag-gets kung bakit.
This
Tami is feeding the...
This is water that I boiled with sugar in it earlier. So now it's cooled off. I can give it to the hummingbirds.
He fed everything. If he can feed the deer, the bear, the lion, the tiger, he will. So, ito na yung scallion, guys. Para lang sa egg minister. Sa egg ni Tami. Eggy. Ito yung feed the dog.
What do you feed on?
Why the dish is here? Oh my God. So ngayon guys, dahil wala na si Taming trabaho, wala na namang trabaho yung mister natin. Mag-file na naman siya ng unemployment niya. Filing. Ay, hindi ko alam. Ang hirap ng buhay. Ay, itong pandemic, itong virus na ito ba, ang daming na ano, ang daming mga kaganapang hindi inaasahan, no? I'm sure marami pang tao dyan na naghirap talaga, no? Dito marami din. Lalo na sa Pilipinas, di ba? Na walang gobyerno weekly. Hindi ka tinutulungan ng gobyerno. So ngayon mag-ano na naman si Tami ng ng ayuda sa gobyerno. Doon sa Pilipinas, ang hirap kasi may mga promise na hindi nga nakukuha. Sabi pa, dapat merong pira ibigay, mga 5,000 ba yun? Or 2,000? Hindi nabigay. Or nagkagulo dahil nung pandemic yung nag-start, nagkagulo dahil ang binigay dito, konti lang. Ang dami sa kapitan. Diba? Sa kapitan doon, nandun lahat. Sa mayor, nandun lahat ng pera, and then hindi ni-distribute sa mga bahay-bahay. Kaya yung Pilipinas talaga, behind talaga tayo sa mga ganong bagay. Kasi hindi katulad dito, kahit magulo na yung buhay dito, Amerika, sobrang gulo na. Meron pa rin well, everything is internet kasi. So, kahit sa internet ka lang, mag-file, ganun, hindi ka na maglinya-linya, magmamakaawa doon. Doon sa internet, and then, i-diretso deposit sa bangko. Andun, meron na kang pera sa bangko. Doon sa Pilipinas, kailangan mo pang magmakaawa, and then, bigyan ka lang ng 1 kilong bigas, 2 sardines, ilang kanton. Pero guys, dito guys, kahit mayroong gobyerno, hindi pa rin ganun, hindi pa rin kalakihan, hindi pa rin pariha talaga sa kinikita. So, konti pa rin, pero at least meron, diba? Kasi sabi ko kay Tami, wag natin galawin. Kailangan natin gawin ito, mag-ano tayo sa gobyerno, unemployment, kahit anong gawin. Wag natin galawin yung mga naipon niya. Hindi ko talaga pinagalaw guys. Magalaw lang yun guys kung kailangan talaga, kung sa bahay. Yung mga mortgage. Pero buti na lang yung mortgage hindi pa. I think this month or next month yung mortgage mag-end yung namin. Next month or mga 2 months from now. Hindi ko alam. Ganito yun guys. Ang tagal kong lutuin itong garlic, scallion, at saka onion. Matagal. Parang mag-brown siya ba? At saka yung lasa niya lumalabas, yung amoy, aroma.
You ready for your coffee now?
Yeah, you can do it. I just have a rice on my thing that I cooked yesterday, the other day. Kasi mas madali itong mamatay. Kasi nasa siya, pot. Dito ko siya ilagay para magamit ko yan. So, ang daming ibon. Yung rosas ko doon ba, ang daming bulaklak. Ang daming rose, di ba? Tignan niyo yan. Ang ganda. Yung mayana ko ba, nabubuhay, look. Mayana man yan, guys. Maganda yung color niya, tignan niyo. Mayana. Tulog. Kasi maaga yan nagising. 3 o'clock gising. Alam niyo ba kung anong ginawa niya? Nilinis niya yung cat dish. Yung tubig. Lalagyan ng tubig ng alaga namin. Nilinis niya sobrang aga. Rinig na rinig ko. So kaya, ganyan yan siya guys. Magising siya. And then pagkatapos niyan, kulang siya sa tulog. Hi guys, my camera is acting up guys. Parang may nakapasok na something sa lens kasi every time na patayin ko siya, maganon yung lens. Ingay na yung lens. So guys, wala kaming ganap ngayong araw. And andito lang kami sa bahay. Sobrang init kasi. So, hindi kami aalis. What is the warning, honey?
What are you talking about?
Warning about the heat? Heat warning?
Yeah, it's a heat warning.
Oh, what? It's gonna be so hot, right? Oh, guys. Ito palang guys. Antorium. May mga bagong... did you give them dry food?
We did. I don't know if Hobbs actually ate any or completely them both. But now she's up in the tower and he's still lying on the couch.
Yeah.
Bed.
So, ito palang anthurium, guys. May mga bagong ugat na tumutubo. Yung roots niya na sa tubig talaga na roots. So, I don't know. Kasi may nakikita akong roots na bago. Ang dami na look sa ibabaw. Yung mga roots na water roots. Sa tubig talaga siya nakasurvive. Iwan ko, parang yun yung ano ko sa kanya. Yun yung mga old na roots is na parang na-dissolve ba. At saka meron akong nakikitang mga bagong tubo sa ilalim. Look. Oh my God, it's really... I'm not gonna bring my camera there. The humid kills my camera, guys. Lucky, don't let Roxy out. Hindi kaya ni Roxy yung sa labas, guys. Grabe yung kasi yung init. Grabe talaga. Mga few years ago, na sobra yung init, guys. Sobrang humid na pag lumabas ka, parang hindi ka makahinga. Yung parang nasa ilalim ka ng tubig. Yun talaga yung pakiramdam ng init. Yung parang nasa ilalim ka ng ano na ang hirap huminga dahil walang hangin. Buti na lang ngayon kasi may mga kaunting breeze ba. May kaunting hangin. So, ngayon guys, kumakain si Mr. ng lunch. And natatawa kami dito sa Planet of the Apes. Itong gorilla, how they call the apes ba guys ba? Pretend to be crazy and then take the gun and So, it's time to make the thing for dinner. But it's nice to cook it early. You know why? It will be flavorful. So, mag-ano tayo tong chicken. Yes, Hub. This is not for you, boy. And do we have a really sharp knife here, right?
Yes, you want? Okay.
Ani? Pag sumasayaw yan, busog. Pag sumasayaw yan, busog. Ay, nako. The best siya. Not so much. Alam niyo, paborito ko to. Mga paksiw-paksiw. Para siyang adobo, guys. And also, si Tammy, gustong-gusto niya din ito kasi sobrang lasa talaga. And then, tubig, guys. Maraming tubig. Kapalit is tubig. So, look. Ang daming tubig, guys. Kasi, ito yung magpasarap talaga. Look, ang daming tubig. Matubig siya. Hello, guys. Ito siya, guys. Look. Na meat. Ang sarap niya. As in, ang dami pang sabaw. Masarap yan sa rice. We are invaded. Invaded with different kind of animals. That we cannot even sit in the couch because everybody's here. Look at this. Look at the master, Annie. We don't own the house because look at them. They're like in the couch, 2 of them, 3 of them, 1 here guarding. Hey, we cannot even own the house now. Huh? Huh? Hello? Hindi na kami ang nagmamay-ari ng bahay na ito. Sila na. Sila ng lahat. All of you. You. Look at that. Initin ang bango. Initin ko na lang yan mamaya. Kapitbahay namin, guys. Nag-swimming sila, guys. Ginoo ko nagpaitim. Nagpaitim sila kasi gusto nilang umitim. Ako, pag nainitan lang ng ilang oras, itim agad. Kaloka. Pero yan, so enjoy sila sa ilang swimming pool. Kami naman walang swimming pool, sobrang init talaga. So hindi kami lalabas, dito lang sa bahay. 3 days daw ito, kahapon nag-start. Second day na ngayon yung sobrang init. Bear na lang tayo guys, kasi nagbe-bear din si Tami. So let me ask him. Oh my God, it's sobrang init. Where is your thing? Put it down there.
Cheers.
So nice and cold. Oh my God. Eh, sobrang init dito eh. Grabe. Hindi ito ang init sa Philippines. This is not the heat of Philippines, son. This is too much heat. This is not like this.
Yeah, like I wasn't in the Philippines, so I don't know the difference. Seriously?
It's not like this.
Really, hon? What are you talking to here? You're like, I'm stupid.
This is crazy humidity. The humidity is crazy.
Right, there's no humidity in the Philippines.
No, but it's not like this. Oh my God.
Not only was it like this, it was like this every single day.
No, it's not.
Every single
No,
day.
it's not like this. Okay, let's go inside because I'm watching the thing. Kanina pa pala guys, nag-blurry guys, pasensya. Nag-ano ako sa labas. Nag-upo-upo. Kasi guys, suot na suot ko to kanina. Ang nangyari, baliktad pala, nasa ilalim ito at I'm telling you, there's something wrong with me. Baliktad pala. Transfer ko na lang siya dito sa sa container. Nahalasing ako guys, oy kanina guys. Na yung ulo ko dahil sa uminom ako ng beer. Kasi alam niyo naman hindi ako umiinom palagi. Ay okay pa pala itong salad, kaluka to. Okay pa pala. Akala ko pangit na. Sobrang init si Tami andun sa labas. Ito talagang sigarilyo talaga. Ay, libat baya ko.
Oil, silver, I haven't really found it. See, that's a present to me.
Yeah.
Although last time I went out, I found the vitamin D in little pills. Because last time they were big fucking horse kind of pills. And now they're little tiny like.
It actually, I kind of like it.
So I don't know if something I would like not bringing any bells.
May mga aninipot. May mga aninipot. Aninipot. Galing ako doon sa nagkuha ko ng sulat. Maganda yung rose, oh. Tignan natin yung roses, ha. Tignan natin. Ang daming bulak. Ang daming bulak. Tignan niyo. Grabe, ang daming bulaklak. Sarap kumuha nito, oh. Ang dami. Grabe. Ang dami, oh. Natumba sa hangin, oh. Pero ang dami talagang bulak. Tignan nyo yan dyan. Dito din sa kabila. Oh. Ito din may bulak na din, oh. Ang daming bulak, eh. At saka maganda yung ano niya, oh. Maganda yung madilim na kasi guys, kaya hindi niyo maklaro. Pero ang dami talaga. Okay. Ang daming bulak. Yan. Ang init ng panahon. Amid. Pasok tayo, pasok. The roses outside. Hold on. Iina namin itong vlog guys kasi walang ganap talaga. The roses outside it's a lot of a flower in the front. It's like crazy, honey. It's so colorful. So, yun. I-end ko na tong vlog, guys. I-end ko na to. Salamat, guys, sa inyong panunod. Pasensya na wala masyadong ganap ngayong araw kasi why my husband is kind of like cranky? Why cranky? Okay, you're cranky. Okay, guys. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Look at this cranky husband I have.
Hey guys.
He's cranky. Good night, guys.